There's a big world out there we can reach and we can. Through Carrot's world we'll get there if we know how we can. Read, write, listen, speak, you can learn and understand. In Carrot's world you can, if you know how you can. In Carrot's world, in Carrot's world, in Carrot's world.
I tied it like that.
You better make sure you're tying it good.
I know. I'm telling you the story.
What is wrong, Boo Boy?
I want to give my mother a gift.
Is it her birthday?
No. I just want to show her how much I appreciate her. She has been working so hard. She's so loving and caring.
That is nice. So, what is wrong?
I have no money to buy her a gift.
Money? You do not need money to give her a gift.
Ingo, how can you give a gift if you do not buy one?
Now listen to this. My father told me this story when I was still small like you. It is my favorite story. It happened a long, long time ago. There was this man and his wife named Delia. They were so poor. They had nothing. No nice clothes, no nice furniture. They had no money. But they were happy because at least they had each other. They both secretly wanted to please each other with a gift. But, like I said, they had no money because they were poor. Delia has long, beautiful, shiny black hair. It was her most valuable possession. Her husband has this beautiful but very old violin. Although it has no strings, that was his most valuable possession. One day, Delia came home with a gift. She bought her husband a new set of strings for his violin. Her husband also came home with a gift. He bought Delia the most beautiful comb which she has always admired and wanted to have.
I thought they had no money.
She sold her hair to a hair cutter who will use and turn it into a wig. Delia used the money to buy her gift. At the same time, the husband sold his violin to buy his gift.
They did that?
What about the gifts? They will have no use for them.
It did not matter that they could not use the gifts anymore. They proved that nothing could be more important than their love for each other.
That was beautiful, Ingo.
Yes, it was. What is the title?
Title? I cannot remember. Is it important?
Of course it is. Try to remember the title, Ingo. How can we find the book or the story again if we do not know the title?
Well, maybe we can help Ingo remember.
How?
Well, you see, the title represents the idea of the story. It can be a symbol, or a name of the character in the story, or anything you think fits the story.
Really? This book, the title says Cats and Dogs. But until the end, There was no real cat or dog.
Ah, that is not good. The title is wrong.
I agree. The story is just about two people always fighting every time they would see each other. How did they give it this title then? This is wrong.
There is really no wrong or correct title. The title represents the story. When two people fight whenever they see each other, what does that remind you of?
All right. Cats and dogs represented the two people in the story.
Right. That is what I meant when I said you can use symbols you think will fit the story.
I think I can give a very good title for my story.
Really? What? Tell us.
I said, I think. I am still thinking.
Me too.
A title?
No, a gift.
Oh, very nice, boy.
Your mother is lucky.
There was a little boy with a slingshot. He practiced a lot in the woods, but he could never hit the target.
Oh well, I really am a poor shot. Oh,
Aha! And so the boy went home. He swears he will keep his secret till the day he dies.
Andrea, will you help me with the dishes?
Luis said he will do the dishes. Remember the duck?
So the boy did the dishes and all her other wishes.
Remember the duck?
Until the boy could not stand it any longer.
Mother, I'm sorry. I did not mean to kill the duck.
I saw what happened, but I forgave you because I love you. I just wonder why you let your sister take advantage of you.
What a story. What is the title?
I don't know. Why don't you give it a title? Remember, get the idea of the story.
The sister who tricked her brother into washing all the dishes?
That's okay, but it is too long. Think of something short and interesting.
What about this one? The duck.
Hey, that is a good one. It is simple and catchy too. Wait, what happened to his sister? Did she get away with her tricks?
No, of course not. From that day on, his sister did all the dishes as a punishment for taking advantage of her brother. The end.
Buboy, are you still thinking about your problem?
The day's about to end, and I still have no gift from my mother.
Buboy, a gift to be appreciated does not mean it has to be bought. Remember the story? They gave up their most valuable possessions to show that the other person's happiness is more important than any material thing.
Well, I have my marble collection. You think I can sell them?
How much?
Ingo,
Joking.
You said the gifts were the symbol of their love for each other. Why?
Well, they sold their valuable possessions not because they wanted to buy the gift, but because they wanted to show that they were willing to give up anything for each other.
which means there is something more important than any material thing. Not beautiful hair or the violin.
Yes, the comb and the strings were just symbols of their...
Love.
Yes.
So, their gift was love. Sige, mauna na ako sa inyo, ha?
Buboy!
Where are you going?
Baka kasi kung kanino lang yung mabenta yung mga holin eh, sayang.
Ingo!
Biro lang!
Ay, naku, sa wakas. Naubos ko na rin ang paninda ko.
Nanay!
Oh. What is this for?
I just want to thank you. I love you, Nay.
I love you, anak. Anak, alam mo, pag nakita kita, Nawawala lahat ng pagod ko.
Salamat po.
Ganda nito ah. Saan mo ba nakuha to ha?
What are you two doing here? Where is Buboy?
Ano to?
Diyan lang po sa labas. Oh.
Buti hindi ka nasugatan. Baka naman mayroon pa doong mga insekto. Makakagat ka pa. Mag-iingat ka rin anak ha.
Ingo,
Yes, Joy?
do you already have a title for the story you told us earlier?
Title? Ah, yes, yes. The Gift of Giving.
That is very nice.
Thank you.
Gift of
It was a good day.
Yes, it was.
My father used to say, it is when you give something of yourself that you truly give. What do you value the most, Karen?
Well, I do not have much. And I do not need much. I have you.
And I have you. And I have my friends, my family, my punduhan. And I have to eat. And you too.
I agree.